Summer's almost here, and when those hot days arrive, quality airflow through your workshop is super important. There's a heap of industrial fans on the market, and today I'm going to run you through why our Kool fan is something that you should consider. The Kool industrial fan series delivers next level ventilation, reducing the chance of those sweat patches. Starting with a thick and strong pedestal column with a height adjustment of 151 to 198 centimetres, 90 degrees oscillation, 750mm 3-blade metal fan, 3-speed adjustable motor, 120 degrees adjustable tilt,
and a powerful 290 cubic metres a minute airflow rating, as well as an Australian standard finger-safe grill.
The Kool fan keeps your workspace cool all day long. Built with a 20 kilogram metal frame, cast iron fittings and base, this fan will stay put and operational wherever you choose to put it. Plus, there's a wall mounted option if your workshop space is limited.